Meaning of latent.
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 Latent. The term latent can have different meanings depending on the context. Generally speaking, it refers to something that is present but not yet visible, active, or developed. For example, in psychology, the term latent can be used to describe hidden or unconscious thoughts, desires, or patterns of behavior that are not immediately apparent. In chemistry or physics, latent can refer to a substance that is present in a system but not actively participating in a reaction. In statistics or machine learning, latent variables are variables that cannot be directly observed but are inferred from other observable variables.